Henrik.
Hello, Peter.
Hi.
You're on the program committee for the Innovate conference, the only Scandinavian, so it's very good you're doing this. But how on earth can you find time for all the work, reading papers and everything?
Yeah, well, it is of course quite difficult, but I think it's very important, both for iMotions, but also for the whole industry, that companies that have new technologies for exactly this market is representing a conference like this, where it is about innovation and about new technologies and new methodologies. I think it's important that we also make the market research industry understand that they have to help the new technologies into the market. So that is why I think it's quite interesting, and iMotions is all about innovation and creating new things. So I think it has a quite good fit.
How do you get into the committee? Was it SMR who asked you, or did you ask for it?
It was SMR who contacted me to ask if I wanted to represent the home country, you can say, of Denmark. So I took that as a big honor, and it's been a pleasure to do it, I think.
I'm not surprised they ask you, because all from the start of iMotions you have been active with SMR and been very visible at SMR events. Why is SMR important to you?
I think it's we have been seeing a lot of the different organizations out there within this field, and we think that this is the one that really takes also a scientific approach to things. It's not only about paying your way into presenting something. I think it's that is something that we value a lot in iMotions, since we are scientific based. So that is one of the reasons. But I also think, to learn from what Greg talked about today, it's about learning and breathing the customers that you are going to target. So that is why that we're out here learning about the industry. It's very important to have respect for the customers that we want to target. So that's why we're here to learn about the best possible ways to adapt our product to this market.
Speaking about learning at this Innovate conference, you have read all the papers, you know everything is going to happen.
Yes.
What is your favorite of different presentations we're going to see?
I think that we have to. I should not talk about that. I know that you want what you want to get out of me, Henrik, but you have to wait until the end of the session to hear which ones that are the best, because I think my opinion reflects the whole committee's opinion. So I hope that you can respect that. But I think in general the level has been very high, and the amount of papers has been really high, so that is good.
There were some 160 papers, or was...
I think it was 46 actually. That is what that was fully made, as I remember.
And then in addition a lot of proposals.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
So that is really high for one of the smaller conferences. I think it's really it's the best of what I know that has been at one of these conferences. But I think maybe it's better to talk to the ESOMAR people sure of all those numbers. So.
Okay.
Yes, thank you for covering.